Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we're going to be looking at constant rate of change. That means the rate is always constant, so we're thinking about a straight line, which also refers to our gradient being the exact same. So I'm going to draw a lovely graph here. So when we're thinking about our constant rate of change, we're going to break it down. Now, because we're thinking about litres and we're thinking about minutes, we really only need the positive. So I will only have the positive for my graph. Okay, so find the rate of flow from the following taps in litres per minute. So we always think about our x if there's time as the time. So I will do my time. Now, if I'm looking at minutes, it goes up to 17 minutes. I'm just going to get all my points down. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and there's enough for 17 there. Awesome. Then I move on and look at my litres. Well, the top is 600 litres, that's the most. So I will again do my graph. 300 litres, 600 litres, so this is litres. And then I'm going to break it down so it's easier for me. 100, 200. Okay, so I've got all my markings on here. I can put more, which I will to help me out after, but I know where my 600 is, I know where my 200 is, and I know where my 40 is. Now, when we're thinking about trying to find the rate, because that's what I want to find, the rate per minute. Well, it's like when I do distance equals speed over distance is speed over time, or so speed is distance over time. So I'm going to be doing very similar. I'm going to be doing litres over time, L over time, and that will give me my rate. So the first one, I've got 40 litres drum in 5 minutes. I'm going 40 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8. So that tells me that I'm doing 8 litres per minute. So first one is 8 litres per minute. I'm doing this in colour coding so you can tell. A tap that fills 600 litres a litre take in 12 minutes. All I need to do is litres divided by time to find out per minute. So 600 divided by 12. I'm using calculators, make it easier, equals 50. So that tells me that it's 50 litres per minute that it's doing for the tap that fills 600 litre take in 12 minutes. And then the lucky last one is a tap takes 17 minutes to fill a 200 litre tank. So again, I am going litres over minutes. So 200 divided by 17. 200 divided by 17 equals 11.7. So 11.7 litres per minute. So that is the rate. Now that rate is constant. So if I'm going to graph these, I'll start with the middle one. I know it goes up by 50 litres per minute. So 2 minutes, it's at 100. 4 minutes, it is at 200. 6 minutes, it is at 300. 8 minutes, it is going to be at 400. 10 minutes, it will be at 5 minutes. So at 500 litres, and 12 minutes will be at 600. So I have my straight line graph. If I look at a tap takes 17 minutes to fill 200 litre tank, we know that is 11.7 per minute. So at 2 minutes is 23.4. 23.4 will be here. At 4 minutes, 46.8. At 6 minutes, 70.2. At 8 minutes, 93.6. At 10 minutes, 117. So it's going up slowly. So it's going up very slowly if I keep on going. And then my first graph, a tap fills 40 litres in 5 minutes. And we said 8 litres per minute. So we'll be at 16. So in 5 minutes, it will be at 40 litres. So I can go straight to 5 and go right here. Now graph is quite small. So we can see that depending on the tap that we're using, the rate of the water coming out is a lot faster in our tap that fills 600 litre tank in 12 minutes. Really hope that helps you to be able to graph, but also to find the rate per minute.